How to fix Epic Games cannot update game. So first of all, you have to check your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, turn it off and wait for a few seconds, then turn it back again. If that does not work, you can try changing your DNS settings. To do so, you have to go ahead and simply search by settings in the search bar and then open it up. Now inside here, you have to go to network and internet and then choose your Wi-Fi. Now find DNS server assignment. And now you have to go ahead and simply tap on edit. Change it from automatic to manual and enable IPv4. For preferred DNS, you can simply enter 8.8.8.8 and for alternate DNS, you can simply enter 8.8.4.4. Once that's done, simply tap on save, restart your Epic Game Launcher and then try updating your game again. If that does not work, restart your computer and then try again. As a final option, you can install the Epic Game Launcher and just make sure you know where your installed game are located before doing this. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.